restart that.
All right, bon appetit. All right, guys, so we're gonna start by taking our pan over medium-high heat, and we're going to toast our cassava flour tortillas. When you get them, they'll be frozen, and it only takes about 10 to 15 seconds to heat them up. After that, on medium-high heat, we're gonna put our corn, some Cajun seasoning, and some lemon juice, and we're gonna cook, and some minced garlic, and we're gonna cook that for about 5 minutes until the corn is like toasted. And I just use canned corn. It was the easiest way to do it. But all of this is made in one pan, which is like phenomenal. After that, we're going to take our shrimp and we're going to cook that. So you're just going to cover it on medium-high heat. You're going to take it like the top off and stir it once, but you just want to make sure all of it gets really pink. And then we're going to put some chili powder on there and then just mix it up. And like I said, when you put the lid on, that helps it cook all like throughout, and it will get juicy, but that's just part of the charm. So for our bang bang sauce, we're just gonna do our mayo. We're gonna add our sweet Thai chili sauce. I just got mine from Winco, and then some sriracha on there. Mix it all up, and this is like, all of the ingredients are great on their own, but this sauce just really brings it over the top. Now we're gonna plate all of it. So if you want, you can like measure all of this out into 4 like even amounts on your food scale if you want to have it accurate, or you can be like me and you can just guess. So we're gonna do our cauliflower rice. You can cook it however you want. Our Cajun corn, some fresh avocado. If you don't know vine, then it's fresh avocado. Our shrimp and some romaine lettuce that we chopped, and then we're just gonna add our bang bang sauce on top of it, and that's it. Bang bang baby. This is like so easy to make, and
yeah, it's pretty damn good.